Welcome to Bottom Thumpers. Today we're going to magnet fish this bridge that is right on a major highway, and there is a sidewalk with a trail right next to the highway so that we can get on it and do some magnet fishing. Alright, let's go see what we can get. Okay guys, here we are. Let's see what we can do today. Today I'm using my 1,500 pound single-sided magnet from Brute Magnetics. And if you guys want to pick yourself up a magnet, you can go to brutemagnetics.com and put in the discount code BottomThumper/21 and get yourself a 10% discount. Alright, let's see what we can get. Okay. Feels like I've got something. Let's bring it up and see what it is. Ooh, all right. And on my first throw, hey, get off of there. Yeah. On my first throw, I got this tube. All right. Kerplunk. Okay, feels like I've got something again. Let's see what's there. And I got a piece of steel. All right. All right, let's pull it up and see if I've got anything. Feels like it. Let's see. Ah, yes I do. Alrighty. On this throw, I got a bar. Alright. And a rock. Woo! Then, oh, that's a piece to a bike chain. That's what that is. He's pulling something up. Is that a piece of rebar? Yeah. Oh yeah. Okay, I've got something on there. Let's bring it up and see what it is. And I got big old hunk of steel, you know, shaped like a half of a something. All right,
Looks like the railroad one. Got a piece of chain.
and a nut. Cool. What you got there? Looks like a, might have been a bracket to something. It's green. Cool. What do you got? What do you got? No way.
Look!
Oh, no
I got
way.
me a gun! Yeah!
grab your magnet. Holy crap, no way.
Yeah!
Wow. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. Huh. Wonder what kind it was. You know, I can't see if it was bolt action or not. I can't tell. But it's a gun, all right. Look at that. Wow. Good one. Holy crap. Awesome. Yeah. Here you go.
Yeah!
Okay. I've got something heavy on there. Let's pull it up and see what it is. Come on. Stay on there. Come on. What do I have? And, okay. Heavy chunk of steel. All right, yeah. Kerplunk. Do you have your phone on you? What? No. What?
Yes.
What the?
I got a second one!
What? Are you serious? Are you kidding me?
Second one!
And it looks the same exact as the first one you found. What the? No way. This is unbelievable. What? Wow. I can't believe. Wow. That's really cool. Yeah. It's got the hammer right here. Huh. It almost makes me think of a single shot shotgun. Both of them do, yeah. Wow. Wow. Okay. I've got something on there again this time. Let's get it up here and see what it is. Ah! Came off. But still got something on there. A nail. All right. All right, he's asking for assistance. Let's see what we got. Okay, hang it down there. I missed. There we go. I'm on it. Oh, watch that. There we go.
Aside. Aside.
Wow. Wow. All right, yeah, set it down. Wow. Look at that. He got himself a sign. Huh. I wonder what kind of sign it is. Let's flip it over and see. Well, not sure. Oh, that tells you what river this is. It says Pine River right on it. Oh, wow, that's cool. Awesome. Yeah. Oh, shoot. Okay, guys, I'm gonna make my last throw, and then we're gonna clean up our mess and we're gonna head out of here. Kerplunk. Alright, let's pull it up and see if I've got anything. Now my last throw, huh, got a little hot pocket, got a piece of steel. It looks like a miniature hot pocket. Okay. And a nail. Okay guys, we're gonna clean up our mess and we'll see you back at the truck. Okay guys, here we are back at the truck. Let's see what we got for today. Today, I got this tube. Oh yeah. You know, metal bar. This heavy piece of steel, you know, it's kind of small, but it's heavy. This piece of steel. And this U-shaped piece of steel. All right. Then, you know, a couple other things in there. You know, my miniature hot pocket piece of steel. Cool. And then my cousin, he got this sign right here. It's a marker sign, I guess, for the river. You know, it says Pine River right on it. And then in his bucket, he's got that, a railroad spike, a nut, and a couple other pieces. And then he got this piece, this rod right here. That's good. But unbelievable, I can't believe it. He got 2 guns today. He found 2 guns. I mean, wow, look at that. They look like single shot shotguns. That's what I'm gonna guess. You know, we'll take them home and we'll clean them up and see exactly what they are, but I'm gonna guess they're single shot shotguns. Wow, I can't believe it. 2 of them. He's got 2 of them there. Awesome day, really awesome day. Okay guys, today was an awesome day out magnet fishing. I can't believe some of the stuff we pulled up today. You know, my cousin, he pulled up 2 guns, you know, and an awesome sign. I got some heavy steel, you know, so that's a good thing. But you know, him pulling up 2 guns, that's just unbelievable. I can't believe it. But we had a really good day, and we're gonna pack up our stuff and we're gonna head on out of here. I hope you enjoyed this episode. We'll see you next time.